guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, here we'll show you how to remove and replace the airbox, or just how to remove the airbox if you want to install cold air intake or anything like that on BMW E90. This one will be the 3 Series from 2005 to 2013, 6-cylinder engine. So check it out guys, let's start on it now. Please give a subscribe to our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. More electrical videos, engine codes, airbag codes will be listed there. So, what we need to do first, okay, we need to find a socket, okay, that fits these two bolts, okay, over here now. And most likely those are with a 10mm socket. So we'll just get those loose quick. After that we need to disconnect the MAF sensor, that's a mass airflow sensor. Okay, one bolt is out, second one coming out now. All the tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video guys, so please check them out if you need anything. Now this is the MAF sensor right here, and we need to disconnect it. We'll get a small screwdriver, small flathead, okay, and you need to lift that piece there. Okay, let me just unhook the hose right here so I can show you better. Okay, this piece right there needs to go up a little bit so you can pull the wire out. Okay, after that, flathead screwdriver. And there is one hose clamp that we need to remove. Okay, this is the hose clamp there now. So now, we need to disconnect it from this side here as well. You just pull it out, it has two teeth, one on this side, one on the other one. Okay, and we can gently pull it out of the intake hose there. Okay, you have to be careful not to break your hose. I think we still need to get it a little bit more loose. Okay, we got it loose, a few more revolutions, because otherwise if you put too much on the hose, you can break it. Okay, it came out. Now we can go ahead and pull the box out of the way. Cover the intake hose so you don't drop anything inside of it, but make sure that it doesn't go all the way in. This is your MAF sensor right here. And that's how you guys remove the filter box, engine filter box on BMW E90. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.